This lesson is about a problem-solving strategy called try and check. So here's the problem we're going to start out with. Kyle is Justin's older brother. Can you find their ages by using the following clues? The difference of their ages is 12. The sum of their ages is 22. So when we solve a problem like this, we're going to use a process, and the first step of our process is to understand the question. What does the problem want us to find? So if we go back and look at our problem, we're looking for the question, and we find it right here. Can you find their ages by using the following clues? So we know that our question is, what are the ages of Justin and Kyle? The next step is to analyze the data. What information in the problem do we know? We know that Kyle is older than Justin because the very first sentence said Kyle is Justin's older brother. We also know that the sum of Kyle's and Justin's ages is 22. And we know that the difference of their ages is 12. So our next step is to plan the strategy. We're going to figure out how we're going to solve the problem. Now in this case, we're using try and check. So we're going to start by finding sums of 22 and then move on from there. And then the final step is to actually solve the problem. So let's solve this problem. The first thing we're going to do is start by adding numbers together that equal 22. We decided that's how we were going to start our problem. So we're going to start with, we're going to try 12 plus 10, because that equals 22. And then after I've added it, remember, I want my difference to be 12. So if I take 12 minus 10, that equals 2. Okay, so our answer is way too small. Our numbers are too close together. So let's try another one. We have 20 plus 2 equals 22. Now if we subtract them, 20 minus 2 only equals 18. So those numbers are too far apart. So let's try another one. Let's try 17 plus 5. That equals 22. And then if we subtract 17 minus 5 equals 12. So now we know our answers. Now we said that Kyle is older than Justin, so we know that Kyle is 17. Kyle is 17. And we know that Justin is 5. So when you're solving these problems, just follow through with the steps. Keep trying until you come up with the right numbers.